well, rain day has got us working inside, and we're not going to totally renovate this bathroom just yet, but we're going to try and get the shower working and definitely change the toilet out. But this shower will have to do temporarily. And yes, we want to be able to have 2 working toilets. We have 2 bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms in this house, and this one will be somewhat renovated, not totally. We still want to take this shower stall out eventually, but for now we're going to clean the walls, and I'm not going to show you the walls. They are atrocious. Change the toilet, do something about the floor, and then we can use it. And this is the back end of that shower stall, so Mark just cut the pipe. He's going to be putting a new shower head and shower handle, and going to be using PEX. I see he's cleaning that the other side of that before he puts the handle on. Hi, Mark. Okay. And yeah, he's going to attach PEX plumbing to the copper pipes that are here. So it's a rainy day, so good day for this. Now, this was in the closet here. We had to take out the drywall to gain access to this shower stall. And it had some insulation which will be put back, and then some drywall, seal it back up again once it's done. Okay, but he's still busy cleaning it and making this a usable shower. Kind of dark in this room, but anyway, this orange is not orange, it's more of a yellow, but whatever. Okay, so the new handle is on. New shower head is on, and just the ring there, Mark just put some tape on to hold it in place with some glue. It should come off today. And in the closet on the other side, he used PEX and put in new hot line and cold line, and everything works. No leaks. So that's awesome. Now, that whole room needs to be cleaned. This is a temporary fix. We've got to put a new toilet in this room, peel off all the disgusting wallpaper, give it a quick paint job, strip the linoleum off the floor, and it'll be somewhat usable. The sink we will leave in place for the time being, but this is a minor repair in order to be able to use this shower, because we may have to tear the other one apart to fix the outer wall. So yeah, a little bit at a time. And you know, this room he eventually wants to remove this shower stall. We prefer tile job, but you know, that's once again when we decide to redo the whole room. You know, do the floor, ceramic tiles on the floor. Yeah, it's not a big job to do, but you know, every little thing counts. But in order to access the outer wall, we may have had to not use the other bathroom, but temporarily we'll have 2 toilets once we get the new toilet installed. So it's moving along little by little. One job seems to lead to another. Oh, and this shower handle, the one that existed, was seized. So, yeah, and I think Mark was saying that that had been repaired once already, that it wasn't the original shower head and handle. But this should make a fairly quick and easy. Now I have to clean this. Yeah, I did clean it the once, but never used it, so now it's going to need a really thorough cleanup job.